Freelancing. Freelancing is a skill-based income model where you exchange your ability for money on a per-project or per-hour basis. It evolved from traditional contract work, but expanded globally through platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, allowing anyone to work with clients across different countries. The real monetary strength of freelancing lies in its flexibility and scalability. At the beginning, income may feel slow because you're building trust, often starting with smaller jobs just to gain reviews. But once credibility is established, freelancers can increase their rates significantly. For example, someone who starts by charging a small fee for writing or design can eventually charge premium rates as their portfolio improves. Over time, freelancing can move from inconsistent small payments to structured monthly income through repeat clients. It also opens doors to larger contracts, long-term retainers, and even agency-level earnings. What makes it powerful is that income grows with skill level, meaning the better you become, the more you can earn without increasing your working hours at the same rate. Content creation. Content creation is the process of producing videos, posts, or media for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Financially, this model is built on attention and audience growth rather than direct labor. At the early stage, creators often earn nothing while building their audience, which can take weeks or months. However, once growth begins, multiple income streams start to open. These include ad revenue from views, brand deals where companies pay for promotion, affiliate links, and even selling personal products. A single successful video can generate income repeatedly without additional effort. As the audience grows, earnings can scale rapidly because brands are willing to pay more for larger reach. What makes content creation especially powerful is that it compounds over time. Older content continues to bring views and revenue, while new content adds to the total income stream. It matters because it offers one of the highest earning ceilings among online hustles, but requires patience, consistency, and strategic content planning. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a model where you earn commissions by promoting products or services through special links. It became widely popular with companies like Amazon, which allow individuals to earn a percentage of each sale they generate. The financial advantage is that you are not responsible for creating or delivering the product. Your main job is to guide potential buyers toward the product using content such as reviews, tutorials, or recommendations. Income starts small because it depends on traffic and trust, but it scales as your audience grows. For instance, one article, video, or post can continue generating commissions long after it is created. Over time, successful affiliate marketers build systems where multiple pieces of content generate income simultaneously. What makes this model powerful is its passive nature. Once the content is live, it can keep earning with minimal maintenance. It matters because it allows you to build income streams that are not tied directly to your working hours. Drop shipping. Drop shipping is an online retail model where you sell products without holding inventory, using platforms like Shopify to manage your store. The supplier handles storage, packaging, and shipping, while you focus on marketing and sales. The monetary benefit comes from the difference between the product cost and the selling price. This means profit depends heavily on pricing strategy and advertising performance. Beginners often start by testing multiple products to find what sells well. Once a winning product is identified, sales can scale quickly by increasing advertising. However, expenses such as ads and supplier costs must be managed carefully to maintain profit. What makes dropshipping attractive is the low startup cost and the ability to scale revenue quickly. It matters because it can generate significant income in a short time, but it requires strong marketing skills and constant optimization. Print on demand. Print on demand is a business model where custom designs are printed on products only after a customer places an order, using services like Printful. Financially, it reduces risk because you do not pay for inventory upfront. Instead, your main investment is time spent creating designs and building a brand. Income comes from the profit margin between production cost and selling price. A single successful design can sell repeatedly, creating a steady income stream. Over time, designers can build collections or niches that attract loyal customers. What makes this model different is that creativity directly impacts earnings. It matters because it allows individuals to turn ideas into products without dealing with logistics. Online tutoring. Online tutoring involves teaching subjects or skills through video calls or digital platforms like Zoom. The financial benefit is tied to knowledge and expertise. Tutors can charge per session, and rates often increase with experience and specialization. For example, teaching high-demand subjects or exam preparation can command higher fees. Over time, tutors can scale by offering group sessions or creating recorded courses. What makes this model strong is its predictability. Regular students provide consistent income, making it more stable than many other online hustles. It matters because it allows you to earn while directly helping others improve their skills or knowledge. Blogging. Blogging is a long-term content-based income model where you publish articles on a website. Earnings come from multiple sources, including ads, affiliate marketing, and selling products. The financial benefit builds gradually as traffic increases over time. A well-written article can generate income months or even years after it is published. This creates a compounding effect where more content leads to more traffic and more earnings. What makes blogging powerful is its ability to combine several income streams into one platform. It matters because it can eventually become a stable source of passive income if maintained consistently. Stock content selling. Stock content selling involves uploading photos, videos, or audio to platforms like Shutterstock. The financial advantage lies in repetition, where each piece of content can be sold multiple times. Earnings per sale may be small, but they accumulate as your portfolio grows. Over time, a large collection of high-quality content can generate steady passive income. What makes this model appealing is that it monetizes creativity repeatedly. It matters because it allows creators to earn from work they have already produced. Virtual assistants. Virtual assistants involves providing remote administrative support, earning money through hourly rates or monthly contracts. The financial benefit is stability, as many clients require ongoing assistance. As experience grows, virtual assistants can specialize in higher-paying tasks such as project management or automation. This increases earning potential significantly. What makes it valuable is the ability to build long-term client relationships. It matters because it offers consistent income without requiring advanced technical skills. App and website testing. App and website testing pays users to review digital products and provide feedback. The financial benefit is straightforward, with payments made per test or task. While individual payments are small, consistent participation can add up over time. What makes this model accessible is that it requires little to no prior experience. It matters because it provides an easy starting point for earning online, especially for beginners. Digital product sales. Digital product sales involve creating and selling items like ebooks, templates, or courses through platforms like Gumroad. The major financial advantage is scalability. Once the product is created, it can be sold unlimited times without additional cost. This leads to high profit margins compared to physical products. Over time, creators can build multiple products, each contributing to total income. What makes this model powerful is that effort is concentrated at the beginning, while earnings continue afterward. It matters because it allows for long-term income growth without constant work. Remote customer service. Remote customer service provides steady income through employment, usually paid hourly or monthly. The financial benefit is consistency, as earnings are predictable compared to other online hustles. While growth may be slower, promotions or additional responsibilities can increase income over time. What makes it reliable is its structured nature. It matters because it offers financial stability, especially for those who prefer a fixed schedule. Social media management. Social media management earns money by handling accounts for businesses, often through monthly retainers. The financial benefit lies in recurring income, as clients pay regularly for ongoing service. Skilled managers can handle multiple accounts, increasing total earnings. Over time, experience and results allow for higher pricing. What makes it scalable is the ability to manage several clients simultaneously. It matters because demand continues to grow as businesses rely on social media for marketing. Transcription. Transcription pays for converting audio into text, usually based on audio length or project size. The financial benefit depends on speed and accuracy. Faster transcription leads to higher earnings. Over time, experienced transcribers can take on more complex and higher-paying work. What makes it accessible is its low entry barrier. It matters because it offers a straightforward way to earn online. Translation. Translation involves converting text between languages and is often paid at higher rates than transcription due to the skill required. The financial benefit increases with specialization, especially in technical or professional fields. Experienced translators can earn significantly more by working with businesses or agencies. What makes it valuable is its global demand. It matters because it opens opportunities to work with clients worldwide. Voiceover work. Voiceover work generates income by recording audio for various uses. Payment depends on project type and usage rights. Larger projects or commercial use often pay more. Over time, experienced voice artists can build a strong portfolio and increase their rates. What makes it scalable is the ability to work with multiple clients. It matters because it offers creative income opportunities. Video editing. Video editing earns money through project-based work or contracts. The financial benefit grows with skill level, as experienced editors can charge premium rates. With the rise of video content, demand continues to increase. What makes it valuable is its importance in content production. It matters because it provides consistent opportunities for skilled editors. Graphic design. Graphic design generates income by creating visual content. Designers can charge per project or maintain ongoing contracts. As experience grows, rates increase significantly. What makes it scalable is the ability to work with multiple clients. It matters because businesses constantly need visual branding. SEO services. SEO services involve improving website visibility, often paid through monthly retainers. The financial benefit is long-term client relationships and recurring income. Successful SEO work can lead to higher-paying contracts. What makes it powerful is its impact on business growth. It matters because companies are willing to invest heavily in visibility. Online surveys and microtasks. Online surveys and microtasks provide small but immediate payments for simple tasks. The financial benefit is quick earning without specialized skills. However, income is limited compared to other hustles. What makes it useful is accessibility. It matters because it offers a starting point for beginners entering online earning.